Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Directv stream remote. So I've compiled 3 different ways on how to do this. So the first one is to turn off the HDMI/CEC volume control. For one user, they said that this worked. And the next, this one is from an ACE member. So to fix the remote control issues or how to reset your remote is to press and hold the dash and apps button until you see the LED lights on the remote blink blue twice. Second is to restart your Directv stream device by pressing and releasing the red button on the side of the device. Third step is to point the remote at your Directv stream device and press the fast forward and rewind buttons at the same time to pair your remote with the device. So here in this Reddit post, they said, press and hold mute and select together until the light flashes 3 times. Press 981, then select. The remote will flash 4 times. So that's how they reset the remote. So basically that's it. You can try whatever method mentioned.